Hello, I'm Bo, and I'm here to introduce you to the new Windsor line of carpet cleaning machines, the Duo series. The Clipper Duo, the Commodore Duo, and the Voyager Duo. They're called Duos because they perform dual functions: interim cleaning through encapsulation and deep extraction cleaning. The differences between the Commodore and Voyager Duos are this. The Commodore Duo has a 19.5 gallon solution tank, a 17.5 gallon recovery tank, and a 20-inch cleaning path. On the other hand, the Voyager Duo has a 31.5 gallon solution tank, a 22 gallon recovery tank, and a 24-inch cleaning path. At the front of the Commodore and Voyager Duo Basic, you'll find the chemical and freshwater fill area. Simply remove the front cover to reveal the components. Here, you'll find the hose to dump the recovery tank and the freshwater and chemical fill area. To attach accessories to the Duo Basic series, simply attach the solution line right here. Insert the connector cuff into your external vacuum line, unplug the vacuum line from your Duo Basic machine, and insert the external connector cuff into that vacuum line. To access the cleaning deck, put the machine into position A. This will lower the cleaning decks for easy access. Reach in underneath, release the handle that holds the cowling on, and you have access to the cleaning deck. The components of the cleaning deck are as follows. The vacuum shoes, which are both offset and swivel so that they pick up evenly on uneven floors. The brushes and the spray jets. To access the brushes, simply pull up on the metal piece here and the brush will drop out. Because your brushes are new, they may be a little tight coming out the first couple times. These yellow bristles are wear indicators. When the rest of the bristles match the height of the yellow bristles, it's time to get a new brush. On the end of the brush, you'll notice the keyed slot. This fits in on this side of the drive and drives the brush. When you replace it, line up the keyed slot in the brush housing and insert the brush. There are 4 100 psi quick disconnect jets on the front of the Duo machine. 2 white jets, which will be used for encapsulation cleaning or pre-spraying, and 2 orange jets, which will be used for deep extraction or rinsing. All controls for the Duo machines are easy to understand and located on the rear of the machine. There's a circuit breaker for the entire machine. The key on/off. Circuit breakers for the drive motor, both vacuum motors, and the brush motors, as well as an hour meter. By depressing either of the green paddles, you'll drive the machine forward. Holding either of the green paddles, as well as this white button, will drive the machine in reverse. The blue button here operates the solution pump. When the blue button is depressed and the solution pump is operating, the green light will illuminate. The dial in the center of the console changes the operating modes of the machine. In this position, the machine is off. In this position, the machine is operating in encapsulation mode. In this position, the machine is operating in deep extraction or rinsing mode. And in this position, the machine is operating through the accessory tool port. This knob changes the speed of the machine. When cleaning, you want to be moving at a pace that's equivalent of walking a small child through a park. The battery charge indicator tells how much battery life is left on the machine. In preparing your Duo machine for use, it's important that you wear the proper protective equipment, safety glasses, and gloves. There are a number of steps you'll have to follow. Unplug the battery charger from the machine. Check the water level in each cell of the battery. To do that, remove the front cowling, unplug the vacuum line, and lift up the cover. If the water level is more than 1/4 inch below the top of the battery, add distilled water to that cell. Visually inspect the tires for damage and wear. Check brushes for wear and proper installation. Visually inspect the spray nozzles for any blockage. Fill the machine with fresh water and chemical. It's important that you dilute your chemical properly. Use a measuring cup and measure accurately. Select A mode for encapsulation cleaning or pre-spray. Set the speed dial anywhere within the A zone and turn on the solution pump. In the A mode, the brushes and the solution pump are the only systems that are operating. For deep extraction and rinsing, select the B mode. Set the speed dial anywhere within the B zone and turn on the solution pump. In the B mode, the brushes, solution pump, and vacuum are all operating. To turn the machine, step into the machine and push it through the turn. Make an overlap pass of your previous pass. To operate the battery exchange system, simply wheel the cart into place and lock it into the machine. Unplug the batteries and pull the battery tray onto the cart. Depress the foot pedal to release the cart and wheel these batteries off to be charged. To install a fresh set of batteries, simply wheel them up to the machine, lock the cart into the Duo machine, release the batteries, and install them into the machine. Depress the foot pedal once again to release the cart from the machine. At the end of your shift, or when you're finished cleaning with your Duo machine, you need to dump the recovery tank, rinse it out, and dump any remaining solution out of your chemical tank. Remove the brushes and wipe down the underside of the brush area and visually inspect the inline water filter to see if it needs cleaning. To prepare your machine for storage, take the lids off both the recovery tanks and the fresh water tanks so that they can dry out thoroughly. If your Duo machine needs charging, be sure to plug it into the charger at the end of the shift. Congratulations! You now know everything you need to know to safely and effectively operate the Commodore and Voyager Duo Basic Series.